Writing and publishing an ebook doesn't have to take weeks or cost a fortune. With EbookWriter AI, you can go from idea to a finished, ready-to-sell ebook in just minutes. Here's how it works. First, choose your topic and audience. Whether it's business, mindset, or health, just type in your ebook title and a short description. EbookWriter AI instantly outlines your chapters and generates your entire ebook content automatically. Next, customize and refine. You can edit tone, style, and chapter flow, or let the AI handle it for you. The content reads naturally and feels professionally written. Then, design and format your ebook. EbookWriter AI automatically applies clean, professional formatting, consistent fonts, spacing, and even images if you want them. No design skills needed. Finally, export and publish. You can upload directly to Amazon KDP, your website, or any digital store. It's perfect for authors, coaches, or creators who want to sell ebooks or build their personal brand fast. So if you're ready to write and launch your own ebook without the stress or the high cost, sign up through my link in the description and start creating with EbookWriter AI today.